How to repel doves. Doves may not be as much of a pest as pigeons, but constant cooing and bird droppings can be annoying and hazardous to people's health. If they are nesting underneath the roof of a house, perch on a balcony, or just feed in the garden, there are a range of measures that can be taken to stop them. These methods also work for all species of birds. Things you'll need: plastic animals, flash tape, old CDs, netting, bird spikes, broken glass, bird gel, laser, strobe light, ultrasound device. Set out plastic birds and other animals in the garden or on the balcony. Larger birds or predators are the best choice, as they will scare away doves and stop them feeding and roosting in the garden. Move them around so the doves do not simply get used to them. Attach shiny objects to balcony rails or favorite perching spots. Flash tape, metallic foil streamers and old CDs are perfect for this. They reflect the light that gives the birds the impression of movement. Fit netting above where the birds are nesting. Bird netting can be bought, but anything similar will be just as effective. This simply stops the birds from reaching the nest. Fit spikes to balcony rails and other areas where doves could nest. This prevents the birds from landing and roosting. Alternatively, shards of broken glass could be spread out to achieve the same effect. Spread gel over landing and nesting areas. This bird gel is a sticky substance that puts birds off from landing. Any sticky non-drying substance, such as axle grease, would also work. Install an electronic device to scare them away. Lasers, strobe lights and ultrasound devices are all available for this purpose. They are much more expensive but are generally guaranteed to be successful.